Welcome to Pinheiros Altos, a peaceful corner within the Quinta de Lago resort, best known for its relaxed residential feel, its mature landscaping, and of course, its championship 27-hole golf course. It's made up of 3 distinct 9-hole loops, pines, corks and olives, each a par 36. You can mix and match them to create varied 18-hole rounds, perfect for different playing styles and skill levels. I'm Liza from Mapro Knight Frank, and today I'm going to be showing you a beautifully renovated 3-bedroom townhouse. This small enclave feels like its own little community, discreetly tucked away, yet only minutes from golden beaches, top international schools, and the lifestyle amenities Quinta de Lago is so well known for. You're welcomed by a spacious entrance hall and a convenient guest WC. To the right, a newly fitted kitchen with sleek lines, modern cabinetry and built-in appliances. What was once an interior courtyard has been cleverly enclosed, transforming the space into an open-plan extension of the living area. A seamless flow, ideal for dining, entertaining, or simply enjoying the natural light throughout the day. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms. The main suite features a walk-in wardrobe and a private ensuite bathroom, a calm, understated retreat. The 2 additional bedrooms are bright and well proportioned, and they share a separate bathroom, perfect for guests, children, or as a home office. This home is southeast facing, which means soft morning light and sunshine throughout the day. It's peaceful, it's established, and for many it offers a more relaxed and authentic alternative within the Quinta de Lago lifestyle. So if you're searching for a full-time base or a secure second home with rental potential, this townhouse is truly special. For more details, visit our website and look up reference 4198, or better still, why not contact us and arrange a private visit? We'd love to show you around.